Today we're going to be doing a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I'll be giving the final sanding on the inner, outer, and front fender. We're going to sand the two side panels and the console. Get that ready for a second coat of primer. We're going to be removing the luggage rack on the saddlebags, chrome handles on the saddlebags, all pack support, mount, ready for paint, get it primed, get it painted. Got a lot on the plate here today. Let's see if we can get it all done. Let's go. right, so I got the shields all coated with that rust dissolver. I'm gonna let it sit for a whole day, and then the next day I'll go ahead and wash this out. Still got to pick up some steel to make the mounts. All the chrome pieces are ready to go for when the shop calls me, which I don't know when that's going to be. But the other chrome pieces are going to be powder coated. The two side panels have this first coat of primer, and the console there, I guess it's called, has the primer. It's all been sanded, so it's ready for a second coat of primer. Inner, outer fairing, and front fender are done, ready for paint. 2 coats of primer been applied. Everything's been hand sanded. I'm finished with that. Tall pack supports are done, and this is the other bar. And then the 2 bars that hold up the saddlebags are done. On the bike, we still have to take off the rear fender. I still have to take off the rear wheel. That needs to be prepped for paint. And then I want to take off the sway bar. I think that's what it's called. I want to take this off so I can do the bushings in there. The only 2 things on this bike that I did not change was the front steering bearings and the sway bar bearings. So we're going to get that done, and then the bike is pretty much like brand new. Knock on wood, you know what I'm saying? I hope nothing happens. Oh, and we still got to take off the shocks, the rear shocks. Get those off too. So the problem I have right now to get that rear section done, I have to figure out a way to get this off the ground. I might have to wait to get the front end back on before I can do the rear section. I don't know. I might end up trying to use my vehicle jack. Maybe I can use that to jack up the back safely to where I can get all this stuff off. We'll see. I only got one more chrome piece I need to take off that's going to go to the powder shop, and that's the rear bumper. And that light housing is going to be going to the shop, I believe. Depends if I can take it apart or not. So that's all I got for this episode. We did quite a bit today, and I'm happy with the results and how much I actually accomplished today. So next video, your top right hand corner, if you want to go check it out. If not, I'll see you when I see you. Ride safe, and God bless.